There we go.
Did you burp?
Yeah, I heard that. Let's see if there are any more.
Goodness.
Lemon burps.
You can probably turn it back around.
Alright.
Oh, oh. Let's do this. You want it? You want it? There you go.
Here, we can take this off. I don't think that would work.